Hello friends, welcome to our channel Medical Tech. Fall in love with medicine. So today our topic is on clavicle. In this topic we will cover the bones, foramens, borders of the clavicle. Second, we will see some important points with the diagrammatical view of the clavicle, and the third is MCQ. So watch this video till the end and you will get the MCQ related to the clavicle, which are important for your soon coming exams. So here we go with the clavicle. So clavicle, in Latin the clavicle is also known as clavicula. So in Latin clavicle is known as clavicula. It is S-shaped bone, okay, which consists of two parts: body and two ends. Now this two end is divided as sternal end and acromial end. Okay, sternal end, the name by the sternal means sternum. Okay, acromial and by the acromion, it's the another end. So sternal end, and we will get to know that sternum. Okay, just remember that. First, acromion end consists of tuberculum, conoid. Second, facies articularis acromion, or you can say articular surface, acromial surface, facies articularis acromialis, which is acromial surface. And the third is linea trapezoidea. It's a line, but it's an important line for the muscles, which is by the name known as trapezoid muscle. Okay, now sternum end, it consists only one thing, which is known as facies articularis sternalis. Okay, it actually articulates with the sternum by the notch of the manubrium. Okay, so now we will see the diagram of the clavicle. So here we will have the clavicle. As you can see that, wait a minute, okay, as you can see that it is a thin surface, or you can see a flat surface, and it is a like bulky surface. The flat surface is known as sternal end, and the bulky surface is known as acromial end. So how we will know the position of the clavicle? The flat surface is known as sternum surface, which is located to the sternum side, which is medial. Okay, and the acromial end is to the lateral side. Okay, now as you can see that we have the line, this line, yes, you can see this line. This line is known as linea trapezoidea. Okay, it is found in acromial end. Okay, and it consists of trapezoid muscle. You will get soon about the trapezoid muscle. Okay, and you can see here there will be a small tuberculum which is known as tuberculum conoid, which is also found in acromial end. Okay, now here you can see the face. This is known as facies. It is the surface. What do you mean by facies articula acromial? Is the surface where it attached to the another bone. Okay, so this is known as facies articularis acromialis, and here this surface is known as facies articulari sterni, which is attached to the sternum bone. Okay, yes, you can see here that these are the two ends, right? One end and the second end. The area which are left, it is known as body, or you can say as shaft. Shaft is also mean as body. Okay, so the most commonly asked question is that how much area acromial end consists and sterni end consists. So the acromial end consists 1/3 part and the sterni end consists 2/3 part. Okay, so this consists 1/3 part and the sterni end consists 2/3 part of the clavicle. Now we will talk about this important points of the clavicle. Is that it's the first bone to ossify. Is the first bone to ossify. Okay, in a membrane form. Okay, it consists of two primary end and one secondary end. Is very important. Okay, so it consists of two primary end and one secondary end. So primary end is appears in shaft at 4 to 6 intrauterine life, 4 to 6 week. Okay, so primary end showing 4 to 6 intrauterine life. Okay, and fuse within 45 days. Fuse within 45 days. And the secondary end is found on medial end. So which end is called medial end? Of course, sterni end, right? It appears in 15 to 70 years. Okay, and it fuse at 21 to 22 years, of course in adolescence. Okay, in youngsters. And the most important thing, it's a no medullary cavity. It have no medullary cavity. Okay, and this bone is also known as beauty bone. It's also the important point related to the clavicle. Now it's time for the MCQs.